All right, number 2, we have a playground that is built in an octagonal area, as an octagonal area, and it is enclosed in a circular grassy field. The area not covered by the children's playground area is where the grass is. We have the radius of the circle is 15 meters. Find the measure of one central angle. So again, thinking about central angles, there are 360 degrees in a circle. So 360 divided by, and there are 8 sections there, 8 central angles. So divided by 8, we get 45. So one angle here is 45 degrees. Okay, so find the area of one triangle. So now we know the angle of one of those triangles, and then each of these are congruent. So now what I can do is use the area of my triangle formula. So 1/2 times the 2 sides times the sine of the included angle. So 0.5 times 15 times 15 times sine of 45. And I get 79.5. And this would be meters squared. Again, for the sake of time, I'm not going to continue writing down the unrounded values, but it's never a bad idea. Find the area of one sector. So now the area of one sector would be something like this. Think more of a pizza slice, right? You're including that rounded, curved area. So the area of that sector, the area of a sector is the measure of the central angle divided by 360 times pi r squared. Okay, so that would be the area of a sector. So in this case, we know it's 45 over 360 times pi, my radius is 15 squared. So 45 over 360 times pi times 15 squared. There is going to be the area of one sector. So that is 88.3. And that's area. So again, that would be meters squared. Again, writing down the unrounded value. Never a bad idea, especially if you have to use it in the next part. So now find the area covered by grass in the circle. So area covered by grass in the circle, again, is these little tiny sections here. Right, so those are all the areas of the grass. So what we found in part B, basically we need to take part C minus part B and then multiply it by 8. Right, so part B was the 88.3. I want to use that whole decimal minus part B, which was the 79.5. See, I didn't write down the unrounded value, and I need it, but I have it in my calculator, so we're good. So part C minus part B, and then multiply that by 8 for the 8 sections. So I have part C right there in my calculator. Pull that down, minus, we'll scroll up to part B, which was the 79. So I'm going to go ahead and calculate that, and then I need to multiply that by 8. And the area, the complete area of the grass is 70.5. And that would be the 3 sig fix.